the Fun Time Toy Time channel. I am Noah. This is my brother Ledger, and we are doing a Treasure X Sunken Gold. 10 levels of adventure.
So first, you remove the plastic stuff. Then you take out the map, you smash the bottle, you find the chest, get out the character, save him, drop the chest into the water, treasure or goldfin.
Okay, so here's the front, and well, let's open it. Uh-oh. Might take a little bit. Crap. Yeah. Okay, you do it then. You got that part. Now get the rest. One hour later. Yay. Pick that up.
Here's that.
Oh, here's the bottle. That's cool. Because there's a squid singing in here. Oh, that's cool. Let's get this cardboard.
The map is really weird. Here's the map. And here's all the characters and stuff you could get. Here. No.
Ow, stop it. My turn. No, I don't
Oh,
go.
we're getting it.
Go get that.
Oh my leg!
That one's flying everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Here's a squid. It's a blue squid. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, there's the chest.
It's just on the floor. Man,
Chest
just went
all
everywhere.
Here's showing the squid thing.
This is squid. That's cool. There's like sunglasses on the top. Like here. Oh, that's cool. So we need to
Squeeze them out.
Squeeze.
No, squeeze them upside down so the goo gets out.
Is it going here?
Yeah, I think so.
Guys, okay.
You have to poke a hole in him?
Man, this is hard. Man. You try doing it. Man.
Whoa, I feel something in there.
Yeah. It's sharp and
What?
pointy. Man. Let me try.
Can't open that thing.
Man. I'm trying to just. Oh, got it.
Got it? Here, squeeze it.
Squeeze. Oh my land,
Ew.
there is black. Good. Oh, it's like black, like ink. Ew, man. Look at that.
Ew.
Ew, it's slimy. Oh, that's cool. His head's he's like a king. Ew.
It's like a squid.
I was thinking, yeah, he is. Like his hands are like a squid
He got
thingy.
gold divers.
Gold diver? That's cool. I thought there was supposed to be a weapon in here. What is it?
Here, open this up.
Oh my land. Ew. Something else in there?
Got it.
Oh, here's the weapon. Oh, it's like his staff.
Here's the remains of Mr. Squid.
Ew.
Let's figure out how to open this thing.
Put this guy right here.
Here, could you open this?
Yeah, I'm gonna try
I'll
to
show him the guy. Here's the guy. He's like a little octopus dude.
So slimy. Man, this is hard. They wrap it up with plastic a
here's
little
the
bit
squid
too much.
guy.
Come on.
And here's the octopus guy. Wait a second. If this guy's a squid,
Wait, did he eat
wait
him?
a second. Oh, okay, this is an actual octopus, actually. So wait, why did they eat each other? They're friends.
Well, they can't eat each other.
Wow, that container's super hard to open.
Man. Ow. My fingers. How do you just get it?
Here, I'll get some scissors or something.
Get some scissors, please. I beg you.
I can't get it off.
You're mean. Should I open this? Wait, I might get it. I'm working on it.
Here you go.
Working on it even more.
Noah, scissors.
Oh, yay, scissors, I'm blind. And then it.
This stuff is like super sticky. This stuff is like super sticky and black.
Oh,
It's like ink, but ink's not sticky, I don't think.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Noah got it. Here.
Okay.
Here, let's get that.
So I'm pretty sure we're supposed to, like, maybe like drop this into the water.
Yeah, that was the step. You drop it into the water.
It's like bubbling. It's like,
Ooh,
oh,
it's sunk.
Is anything supposed to be happening? Anything? Nothing?
Oh, it's opening! This is, wow,
whoa.
we got the fish.
We gotta fit. Wait, there's something in here.
We got the
Some orange stuff in
treasure
oh,
fish.
wait, it's like orange. It's like becoming orange. The water.
We got the treasure
The
fish
treasure fish. Whoa, that's cool.
right here.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, wait. Wait, I want to do something. Hello, I'm a fish. I'm on a king's head. And I'm a giant squid.
So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.